We got a lot of builds this year coming up, a lot of different colors to give you guys more inspiration, and also a lot of more knowledge about the differences between types of doors, type of windows, type of insulations. We're gonna go more deeper into a lot of comparisons, pros and cons, to really help make your buying experience the best. Welcome back, Pack. This is Adbeel from WolfSteel Buildings. It's bright and early. It's around 9 in the morning, and our team is already erecting this 28 by 40 metal building. We're out here in Midlothian, Texas. So it's a little bit south of Dallas, south of Mansfield area. And this building is a 28 by 40 that we're building here. However, the concrete was done prior by our client, and the measurements are not exact. So we got some minor setbacks, challenges that we're working here to make sure that we build it right. And I'm gonna walk you guys through how we're solving the situation. So stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We got a lot of builds this year coming up, a lot of different colors to give you guys more inspiration, and also a lot of more knowledge about the differences between types of doors, type of windows, type of insulations. We're gonna go more deeper into a lot of comparisons, pros and cons, to really help make your buying experience the best. So don't forget to subscribe for that, and let's get this going. Pack. It's been about an hour, and we decided to wait for the skeleton, so the frame, to be up. And check this out. They arrived here about 2 hours ago. We've already squared it. We've already put up the frame. There's a lot of action going on here. I want you to keep in mind that typically there's a 3-man crew for these type of projects, and they got a 4-man crew, so they're running fast. They know what they're doing. Right now, they're already putting up the purlins, while the other guys are framing the walls already. They're doing all the columns, as well as all the girts. So these guys are very, very efficient. They know what they're doing. They're arriving, and they already know what they got to do. And that's why this building will be put up more than likely by the end of today or by early tomorrow morning. So it's a 28 by 40 being done in a day to a day and a half. So, but there were some setbacks, some little minor setbacks, and it's something that it happens in construction. Not everything is perfect, and what you want to find is a builder that you can trust that will come back and make things right, or that will find a solution to things. That's what WolfSteel's all about. It's just finding solutions. I love what we do. Let me show you guys a little bit of the setbacks, because not everything is pretty. So this is supposed to be a 28 by 40. The width of it is 27 with 9 inches. So the length of this building should be 40 length, but it turned out to be 3 inches to 4 inches shorter. I need to make sure 39 with 8 inches, so 4 inches shorter. And so what we had to do is cut the base rail 4 inches to make the adjustment. And that also affected where the notches were done for this concrete. Unfortunately, we didn't do it, so we didn't really have the exact measurements. And so now you can see that those 4 inches that we're having to adjust are the ones that are affecting the notch placement, because the measurement was not exactly 40 foot. So this is where what we're going to be doing is we're going to actually make adjustments to the concrete. What makes it really challenging when it comes down to tubular, these are prefabricated buildings. You know, this building would have to go all the way back, create these header bars that are making the supports, and then coming all the way back, or making the adjustments on the concrete. So we decided we're going to do the adjustments on the concrete, and we'll show you later how we came back and fixed that. But other than that, if you had doors on your end walls, those can be made on site. And so that's kind of the challenge with having doors on your side, and it's a minor setback, but we're moving forward. Right now, all the purlins are coming up. the girths, this is all 12 gauge for the frame. This comes with a 20-year rust warranty. So this is the heaviest gauge that we offer for tubular buildings. So guys, we're about to head out. The guys still have, you know, all day to complete this project. And sometimes we want to give them a little bit of them, you know, putting their music on and getting their groove and just kind of enjoying without the pressure of, you know, me watching or you as a client, you know, really watching what's going on here. So, but I want to show you guys how you guys get a tubular building delivered to your property. So if you can see here, we got a dually truck, typically like an F-350, that will arrive carrying a 26-foot trailer. The trailer has an extension that can reach to 30 foot. And so that's how we deliver your full building. And that's what you have to consider. Can we access your property with this type of vehicle and this type of trailer attached to it? And that's super important that we can get close access because the material is heavy to carry. If we can't get close access, there might be a labor fee, you know, to carry all this material by hand towards the location. These buildings are built manually up to 30 wide. Anything bigger than that typically will require a lift, a Skytrack, to be able to lift the trusses and be on site. But so keep that in mind, that it's all manual labor. And you know, these guys work really hard, and they put a lot of sweat into building this project. So something to keep in mind, guys. All the tubing gets on here, the trusses sit on top, and then all the panels. So in this case, our client is getting 26 gauge. It's got a really aggressive, nice, rugged look. We're gonna have Gabaloon black, and then we got some pewter gray with the wainscoting for black. So that's what you're looking at right now. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be back when the project is fully completed, so stay tuned, and I'm super excited about this project.